Hello and welcome to Forays Tech. So you've already bought or planning to get the Behringer C1U because you want to sound great on all your audio-video productions, but there is a problem with it that you should know about and also find solution which will definitely help you get that sound you have invested for. Welcome back, and if you haven't subscribed to Forays Tech, consider subscribing and we will be bringing you the best tech reviews over and over and over and over again. Well, now the Behringer C1U is a studio condenser microphone. It's ideal to begin with your podcast, vlog and etc. Has a strong solid build, certainly does look and feel professional. With all those qualities in mind, what you really want to do now is record your voice on it. So you mount it on a microphone stand, connect the microphone with a simple USB connector, boom goes the green light on, sit at a reasonable distance, and you open up your favorite audio app, Audacity or Audition in my case, and start recording. Today we're going to be testing the Behringer C1U and have a look at its performance and see if it's really up to the mark. Big disappointment by the gear that has let you down the very first time with its extremely low volume at just about 2 feet away. Well, the reason is mainly because it's a USB mic, and it doesn't get the power most XLR phantom powered microphones need to produce enough loudness. So how can you overcome this efficiently? Firstly, move closer, record, and you will notice improvement. Today we're going to be testing the Behringer C1U, have a look at its performance and see if it's really up to the mark. But it's still not nearing what you paid for. Now, a lot of people have recommended microphone booster, some have found it on their Windows, some haven't, so let's skip that option. Once recorded, simply head over to the left side of the effects rack and add amplify. Now you can raise it to around 7 to 9 decibels. More I wouldn't suggest because it will add a lot of noise. Now it's loud enough, but what about this noise? Try and select an empty silent spot in your recording. Go to Effects, Noise Reduction, Capture Noise Print. Go to Effects, Noise Reduction, select Entire File. You can see the difference in the scenario of how much noise will this eliminate. Hit OK and you are done. I'm going to be playing these in bits so you can see the difference between the first, the distant one, to the close-up, and then the amplified and noise-reduced recording. Today we're going to be testing the Behringer C1U and have a look at its performance and see if it's really up to the mark. So that's it, you are sorted. Record your stuff and add whichever effects you like and enjoy your new recordings and whatnot. Link to buy the Behringer C1U Studio USB is below in the description. Hit like and do subscribe because we will be bringing you more. Till again, Forays Tech signing out.